Okay, this is my report on this Capri double flare tool from Amazon. This is a 1/4 inch one. Say E. So what I'm going to show you is my very first what do you call that? Brake line. Okay, let's bring him under the scope. Take a look. I was blown away by the way it looks. Hopefully you can see that pretty good. See that? See that? Zoom in a little more. But man, I'll tell you, I think that's the way. I've seen a lot of other videos, and this looks, oops, sorry about that. Looks the way it's supposed to look. You know? I mean, what do you think? Certainly is symmetrical. Okay, let's put the tool under here real quick. Take a look. And what do we got? What do we got? Okay, you know the bolts, you know the bolts. And let's see. I'm zoomed out on the scope as much as I can be. Alright. Now, you can see some of the magic, as they call it, that happens in there. You know, I mean, the bolts were good. Remember that this is the only one I've ever done. I don't know a damn thing about brakes, but I know they're pretty expensive when you pay to go get them fixed. Okay, so I think I saw a particle under there when I was looking earlier. So let's just spin these bolts out real quick. 10 millimeter. Now I'm not sure if it's okay to take this thing all the way apart. I've seen others do it. Sorry about the delay on the video, but I never took this apart either. But by looking down that hole right there, I think I saw a piece of copper nickel, whatever they call it. We're going to find out real quick. Okay, so after the first use, this is what you're going to see in there when you use the goop. Okay, there it is, there it is. You get the idea. You know, okay. Let's go back under. And where the hell was I? Where's that part? Ah, there we go. All right. That's where I saw that little particle. It looked like a piece of copper. Looked like a piece of copper from under the scope the first time. Let's get a real good look. Okay. That's just some leftover goop. Hopefully you can see that pretty good. Yeah. We're going to take the dental probe. I got to get under the scope to see it. Ah, look at that. Nothing more than goop. Zoom out a little. Okay. Nothing but goop. Okay, no metal on that part. Excuse me. Leftover metal on this part. Sorry. Yeah, I see it. Now remember, this is this is a dental probe. See what I mean? That's a frickin'. I use this for other things, and that is nothing. It's going to rub around here a little. We'll take a look and see what we got. See that right there? Add a piece of copper. Ah. Damn, damn if that's not a little piece of copper. Just a little guy. You can't even see him. That camera can't even focus on that. If we can see him. Sorry. I'm not going to edit. And that's part of my thumbnail. Let me put something in there for scale. There's a 10mm wrench surrounding it. Alright. I don't know. But that's my report. I don't know the significance of that little guy right there. But I think I'm going to flush mine with brake cleaner after every few uses. I only have to do one van. But anyway, that's the end of the story. Otherwise, I mean, I couldn't be happier with this thing. I mean, just fantastic, in my opinion. Okay, bye. Howdy, wait for the clip.